Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable web and app activity history on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Data Privacy. Scroll down. Under History Settings section, click on Web and App Activity. Toggle the button next to Web and App Activity to turn it on. Click on Turn on again to confirm. Settings is turned on. Click OK. If you want, you can turn on additional settings. Now, click on Auto Delete and select the time duration you want to retain your history. Click Next. Click Confirm. That's it. Web and app activity history is enabled on your Google account. This is how you can enable web and app activity history on your Google account. Thank you for watching.